Looking for a powerful iPhone management tool? iTunes doesn't always cut it, and that's where iMazing comes in. Today, we'll dive into what iMazing is, how it works, and whether it's secure. Part 1. What is iMazing? iMazing, originally Discade 2008, is a versatile iPhone, iPad, and iPod management tool, like a Swiss Army knife for your Apple devices. Backup, restore, or transfer data effortlessly, wirelessly, on both Windows and macOS. Part 2. iMazing main features. Backup iPhone or iPad, transfer files, manage media, handle messages and WhatsApp. Backup apps, preview, and restore selectively, all securely on your computer, external drive, or NAS. Part 3. Is iMazing safe? Is iMazing safe? Yes. It protects your data with local storage, backup encryption, and end-to-end encryption for device connections, keeping your Apple ID and info secure. Part 4. Is iMazing free? iMazing Free versus iMazing Pro. iMazing offers a free trial with limited backups, browsing, and sharing. Full features require iMazing Pro. Single $44.99, Universal $49.99, Family $69.99. Part 5. iMazing Compatibility. Supports iPhones 5S 17 Pro Max, all iPads and iPods, Apple Watch Series 11, say 3 Ultra 3. Works on Windows 10 to 11 and macOS 10 to 10 Plus, supporting iOS, iPadOS, watchOS, tvOS, and visionOS 26. Part 6. How to use iMazing. Step 1. Install iMazing 3. It's quick. Enter a license key or start the free trial. Step 2. Connect your iPhone, iPad, or iPod via USB or Wi-Fi. USB is faster. Step 3. The intuitive interface makes navigation and using features easy for anyone. Part 7. Best iMazing alternative to manage iPhone or iPad data. iMazing is undoubtedly a fantastic iPhone transfer and management tool, but there might be times when you need something different. That's where Mobikin Assistant for iOS comes in as the top alternative. How to use Assistant for iOS, the best iMazing alternative. To transfer and manage iPhone data on computer. Step 1. Install and launch the appropriate version of Assistant for iOS on your Mac or PC. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. The software will quickly detect your device. Step 2. Your data will be organized and displayed in the left sidebar. Navigate to the tabs you want, and the program will begin scanning the files on your iPhone. Step 3. Once the scan is complete, you can preview the data. To transfer it to your computer, click Export at the top. To move files from your computer to the iPhone, click Import. If you want to remove unnecessary data from your device, simply click Delete.